Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to install VirtualBox on your Windows machine. Let's open our browser and type VirtualBox and hit enter. Now open this website. It leads us to the official VirtualBox website. And now click on this download button. As we are running VirtualBox on your Windows, so we have to download the application which supports the Windows. Now click on this Windows Host button and the download starts. After the download is completed, now open your File Explorer and find the application in the Downloads tab. Now run it. Click on Next. Leave this to defaults and click on the Next. Leave these two to defaults and click on Next. Click on Yes. Click on Install. Now click on Finish. That's it guys. You have successfully installed VirtualBox on your Windows machine. Thank you friends for watching this video. This is True Knowledge with me and I will catch you in the next one.